elastic bandage techniques.
Circular bandage. A turn is executed around the part of an oblique angle. A small triangle of a material is exposed by the oblique turn. A triangle is bent over the first turn with the succeeding turns made over the turned down material, locking it in place. After several turns have been made, the bandage is fastened at a point away from the injury. The spiral bandage is anchored at the smallest circumference of the deal and is wrapped to proceed upward in a spiral against gravity. To prevent the bandage from slipping down on a moving extremity, it is suggested the two pieces of tape to fold dead lengthwise and place on a bandage at either side of the limb. After the bandage is anchored, it is carried upward in consecutive spiral turns, each overlapping the other by at least 1/2 inch. The bandage is terminated by locking it with circular turns which are then firmly secured by the tape. The bandage is turned over on each turn. Each should be made in the same line and angle formed by each reversal. This is accomplished by quite easily by holding the thumb on left hand at a point where the roll is to be turned. After reversal has been made, the direction of the roll of bandage is changed. Bandages applied properly can be used to hold dressing and to stabilize location or fracture of the jaw. This is started by circling the jaw and in front of both ears in several turns. The bandage is locked by the number of turnaround of the head. Each of the two sets of turn is fastened with a tape stump. Elbow figure of 8. Anchor the bandage encircling the lower arm. Next, bring the roll obliquely upward over the posterior anterior aspect of the above. Carry the roll obliquely upward, crossing the cubital fossa, then pass again obliquely in the upper arm, and return to the beginning position up crossing the cubital fossa. Continue the procedure as prescribed, but for every new sequence, move upright toward the elbow. Wrist and hand figure of 8. The anchor is executed in 1 or 2 turns at the palm of the hand. The roll is then carried obliquely across the anterior posterior of the hand depending on the position of the wound in the hand. Then, it is turned to primary anchored as many figures are applied. Demi-gauntlet bandaging. The demi-gauntlet bandaging holds the dressing on the torso of the hand and also offer protection on the knuckles. The bandage is anchored by circular bandage at the wrist. The roll is carried at the fourth and little finger, circulating the little finger, and is brought again back to the hand of the wrist. The wrist again encircled by the roll by the next finger consecutively until all the digits are completed. Figure of 8 leg. The leg type is used for keeping dressing position, for holds clinch in place, for giving mild or moderate muscle support. Ang anchored applied by means of circular turn around the ankle. A strip is carried diagonally upward where one completed circular turn is executed. The roll is then carried downward, crossing the final strip to finish one figure of 8. The procedure is repeated until thoroughly completed.
Thank you for watching.